Here we are going to take the Honda one, for example. We can build a power supply from the clock screen, and it's also easy and it's very stable. In this way, the power supply will be very stable to build the 12-volt power supply. Here I'm going to show you. If you open the steering wheel, airbag, and see a clock screen here, you can see there are many empty pins here on the connectors, and you need to find out whether there are pins inside, the metal pins. If yes, you can get the power from, because some clock screen there will be not so many metal pins, maybe half, maybe 12, maybe full like 20. Here is the connector. You see there are some empty one here. This one for Honda. This one for Toyota. You can see one empty pins here. This one for Hyundai. Full pins and empty here. So how do we use the empty pins to get a power supply? Here I'm going to show you. From the catalog you can find out. There's one cable here. You can see it. It may be pink, yellow, or blue. Let's take this pink one. Cut it off. And here's the pins. You can find out the empty socket. There's some angle made into this one. Here's the cable from the LED performance steering wheel. Make this connection with this red cable. This black ground cable connect to the ground cable from here. You can find a cable for the ground and connect it onto it. Ignore this blue cable if you are using this way. And here is the important thing. You need to find out the connector from here. The power goes through onto the bottom of the cable here. The connector here. The downside of the crossbeam connector. You can find out 3. It will be 3 here. Here's another cable. You cut it half just now. Connect it. Find out whether it goes to the 3 one here. Just for example, connect it onto here. You can connect this cable onto the car ACC or connect it to the OBD box, the white cable, the boost cable here. And then the full power supply is good right now. And then you can test it, connect it onto the OBD tool and test it whether the steering wheel is working good. Okay, thank you everyone. That's about the 3 ways how to make a connection for OHC Motors LED performance steering wheel. Thanks for watching.